Hello students, good morning, welcome to our maths class. So students, square roots and cube roots chapter, 6th chapter. Square roots and cube roots chapter, we are in the second exercise, total 4 exercises. So we are in the second exercise and in that I completed 6 problems. Each and every problem I am explaining in detailed way. Maintain the very good notebook and maintain neat handwriting and all the steps with all formulas and notes and everything. And next thing is so listen carefully so you can copy it afterwards. Same video you second time when you watch you copy, but first time you have to understand. Just if you copy, so there is no use. First understanding is important. When you are watching the video first time you understand the concept. After second time you write down. So now this is the 7th question, students. 7th problem. All of you open your textbooks. The product of two numbers is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, let first number is equal to. See, there are two numbers, students. First number is equal to, say, x. Let first number is equal to x. Then second number is 16 times the first number. First number x means second number is 16 times the first number. Second number is 16 times the first number. First number x means second number is 16x. See, one number is 16 times the other. One number x means other number is 16 times. So 16x. The product. Product means into. Product of these two numbers. Product means x into 16x. Multiplication. Product means into. Into of what? The two numbers. One number is x, other number is 16x. Product. So x into 16x is 16. X into x is x square, students. First number x, second number 16 times that number. So times means into. Second number is 16 times the first number. Times means into. That means 16 into x. Product means what? This into this. X into 16x. So 16x square. But given that already product is given in the problem. Product is 1296. It is given. We got 16x square, but in the problem it is given that 1296. So 16x square, our product is 16x square. So but our product is 16x square, but answer is given as 1296. So 16x square is equal to 1296. Students, here x square is equal to 1296 by, it is in multiplication, means it will go into the denominator. Here it is in multiplication, it will go into the denominator, it will be in the denominator. So x square is equal to 16 cancellation. 16 8s are 126. 126. 1296 by 16. I will do it here. Cancel with 4. 4 4s are 4 3s are 4 2s are 4 4s are. Is 128 and 81. So if you remove the square, you will get root on the right side. Everywhere, total concept is same. Whenever root square is removed from here, x square value 81. What is x? X means root 81. So 81 is, can you factorize 81? 81 is 9 into 9, students. 9 into 9, that is 9 square. 81 is nothing but 9 into 9, 9 square. How to remove the root? Divide the power by 2. Whenever root is removed, this power should be divided by 2. Whatever power is there, divided by 2. So that 9 power 1 answer is 9 answer. 9 answer. See here. X is equal to 9. Now, 1696 divided by 16. 16 8 is 128 and 16 remains, 16 ones are like that. You can divide. You know how to divide. Otherwise, if you don't know 16 table, divide with 2, again 2, again 2, like that also you can. Finally, 81 is the answer. So, root 81 is 9. 81 is 9 square. 2 by 2. That is 2 by 2 is 1. 9 power 1 is 9. Now, so what is the question? Find the two numbers. First number is what? First number is equal to x. X means we got 9. Answer. Second number 16x. 16 into x. 16x. 16 into 9. 144. Into 9. Write down, students. 9 and 144 are the numbers. One 44 or 9, 9 or 144. Any number. It is not that one is the first number, one is the second number. Two numbers are 9 and 144. That's all. Eighth question. Students, eighth question. 3921 soldiers stand in an auditorium in such a way that there are as many soldiers in each row and there are rows in the auditorium. How many rows are there in the auditorium? See here, students. Let number of rows in the auditorium. Let number of rows is equal to x. There are rows. How many rows are there? X rows. Then number of soldiers in each row. For each row there are some soldiers are sitting. How many soldiers? That depends on number of rows. If there are X rows, each row there are X soldiers. X rows means each row, number of rows is equal to X. Each row there are X soldiers. So total number of soldiers. See, there are 5 rows, for example, 3 rows. Each row 3 soldiers. Then how many soldiers total? 3 into 3, 9 soldiers. So there are 4 rows. Each row there are 4 soldiers. 4 into 4, 16 soldiers, like that. So if there are X rows, each row there are X soldiers. Total number of soldiers is X into X, which is nothing but X square. But it is given in the problem. This is 7921. But given that number of soldiers is equal to 7921. So therefore, x square is equal to 7921. The total number of soldiers are x square, but it is given that is 7921. X square is equal to 7921. So removing the square, we will get, if you remove the square, right side will get root. If you remove the square, right side will get root. Removing the square, right side will get root, square root. So finding the square root of 7921, factorizing method. So students, 7921 factors means you try with two prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, try with 2. If not, then 3. If not, then with 5. If not, then with 7. Next 11. Next 13. Next to 17. Next to 18, 19, 20, 19. Next prime number is 20, 21, 22, 23 is a prime number. Like that, 29 is a prime number. So like that we have to try. So sometimes in all the previous problems we applied find factors only. We tried with 2, 3, 5. Sometimes in one case we tried with 11, 13. That is the maximum. But here, so we are getting a big number and finding that number is very difficult. So this is nothing but 89 into 89 we are getting. So 89 square. 89 square. So this is 89 to the power of 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So 89 to the power of 1 is 89. But how to get this 89 idea? So we can't try with all the numbers. So it is a rare case. For this, we have another method of finding the square root that we are going to study in the next exercise. So this factors method is very difficult for this. We have to try up to 89 because it is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 5, it is not divisible by 7, not divisible by 11, not divisible by 13, not divisible by 17, not divisible by 19, not divisible by 23, not divisible by 29. So next 37, not divisible by 37, like that you have to try up to 89. So it is impossible. So therefore, better for this we apply another method, finding the square root, which we are going to study in the next exercise. Next exercise I will explain how to find the square root, another method. This factorizing method is not applicable here. It is becoming very big number. So 89 idea you won't get, but you write down here. So how we get 89, that we will anyway after completing this exercise, in the next exercise I will explain. Write down students. So how many rows are there in the auditorium? Therefore, number of rows in the auditorium. 89 answer. Students, write down this 89 answer, and now the last question of this exercise, 6.2 exercise. This is the 9th problem. 9th question. Students, area of the square field is 5184 meters square. Find the area of the rectangle. Area of the square field is 5184 meters square. Find the area of the rectangular field whose perimeter is equal to perimeter of the square field and whose length is twice its breadth. So very lengthy and somewhat confusing and complicated problem. Area of square field is 5184 meters square. See here, don't read all complete question. First only one sentence. Area of the square field. See here. Let side of the square field. Students, let side is equal to x. Then its area. Don't write. What is the area of square formula? Side into side, side square. Area of square formula, side into side, side square. But what is the area of the square field? Sides x square. But x square is given in the problem as area of the square field is 5184. 5184. Or let us take it as S. Then it will be also S square. Then S square is equal to x also we can take, but already another figure is introduced. In that, let us take anyway in x. So square of side of the square is equal to s. Then area of square formula s square you studied in the 6th to 7th chapter. So 7th classes. Then its area is equal to s square. But area is given that area is 5184 meters square. So then s is equal to, if you remove the square, right side you will get root 5184. How to find the square root of 5184? 5184 factors. Students, 5184 factors. Try with 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 means 1 remains. 1 after 1 is 11. 2 5s are 10. 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are. Again with 2. 2 1s are. 2 2s are 4. 19. 2 9s are 18. 2 6s are. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 8 are 16. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 8 are 16. Again with 2. 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 2 4 are. Again with 2. 2 1 are 2 6 are 2 2 are. 81. Now not with 2. Next try with 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Try with 3. 3 9s are. 3 3s are. Plenty low. So many factors. But of course, you don't apply this method because anyway in the third exercise we are going to study direct method. This is the factorizing method, prime factors method. In the third exercise, direct method, division method or direct method. That will be easy. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 power 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 power 4. This will become half. If you remove the root, 2 power 6 by 2. Power will become half. I told, whenever root is removed, divide the power by 2. Here also, 3 power, divide the power by 2. This 4 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. 2 cube. 3 power 4 by 2 is 2. So 3 square is 9. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, 8, 8 into 9, 72 meters answer. S is equal to 72. So side we got. So again there is a lot of process. So up to here you understand. Side of the square, yes, so area is s square. S square is given in the problem as 5184. S square is equal to 5184 means s is equal to root of 5184. How to find the square root? In this exercise completely factors method. So we got 2 how many times? 6 times? 3? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. To remove the root, divide the power by 2. 6 by 2 is 3. 4 by 2 is 2. So 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 square is 3 into 3, 9. 8 into 9, 72. Right on up to here. Now rectangle. Find the area of the rectangular whose perimeter is equal to perimeter of the square. Now rectangle starts. Rectangle. Length is equal to twice the breadth. Rectangle breadth is equal to, see here. Let rectangle breadth is equal to x. Let rectangle breadth is equal to x. Then length is, breadth is equal to x, length is twice the breadth. Breadth x means length is twice, that means 2 times the breadth. Breadth is x, length is twice the breadth, 2 times the x, 2x. See here. Given perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. It is given. See here, students. See, it is given that find the area of the rectangular field whose perimeter is equal to perimeter of square. Perimeter of rectangle field is equal to perimeter of square. That is given. Up to here you understand. After this you start the rectangle. Rectangle breadth is I am taking as x, I am assuming. Then length will be twice. Twice means 2 times x. Then perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square. That is given. So then I will continue. You first copy it, students. Copy this. Perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. Students, see here. 2 into L is 2x. B is x. 4 into S we got. S is 72. So 2 into 2x plus x is 3x. 4 into 72. So x is equal to 4 into 72 by this 2 will go down. 3 will also go down. Students, 2x plus perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of square formula is 4 into side. This is the formula, this is the formula. S is 72. So 4, this, yes, just now we got S. So 4 into 72, keeping as it is. Length is 2x, breadth is x, 2x plus x is 3x. We want x value. Take 2, it will be in denominator. 3 also it will be denominator. Because it is into means if it is into, it will be going to the denominator. So simplify, students, tell x value. So what is x value? 3 2s are 3 4. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 24. 48. 2 2s are 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 24 into 2, 48. Then length is equal to what? Breadth is equal to x. X means how much? 48. Then length is how much, students? 2x. 2 into 48. 96. But what is the question? Question is find the area. Area of rectangle field. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Length is 96 into breadth is 48. Multiply, that is your answer. Right. Lengthy problem, very lengthy problem, but you just practice it. That is the answer, students. So with this our exercise is over. This exercise is over, and finding the square root by factorizing method, prime factors method is completed. So very important problems we solved, and you practice on difficult problems also. All theory questions and difficult questions you practice this exercise, and the next class I will start the next exercise, which is important, very important, finding the square roots by another method.